we go.
Hello everyone, this is John with Money on the Floor Currency Trader, and right now I'm trading my favorite template, trading the A plus trade up and then trading it back to the 50 is what I like to trade. Right now we're consolidated, waiting to find out which way we're going to go. I'm not quite sure. Now this market has been very difficult lately, so if you've been having trouble, these sideways movements are horrible. They have big wicks down just to get you to stop out before it goes the other direction. It has been very rough to trade. You need a system that you trust, but even within that system, you get moments where you get freaked out, where it's hard to hold your trade. It's hard to get the profit that you want. You get these big wicks shooting up. Should you get out of the trade? Should you stay in the trade? It's been very, very difficult. Has been for me too. Now, I got something that will make your life much easier. It is a template that's put together on Tradingview. And let me show you this. This will help you a lot. So right now it looks like it's having some indecision too, but that's okay. So right now, you can see here if we follow along, it told me my sell was a great sell and that once we got to this point, we should probably exit because it looks like it wants to buy. So I would have got out at this point. And then from here, it says that we're going back up. Now my system did not say we're going back up. It just crossed the 50 and we're moving up. But the idea is this helps you with your decision making process. So let me pull this down here a little bit lower. And you can see right in here that once you're in here, you had that big wick that shot up, these wicks that shoot down, things that are trying to scare you out of the trade, but the background is green. So you would hold this trade all the way up, hold this trade all the way up until your system and this system probably told you that it's time to go down because they're both working together. It's the same idea. So it's looking for volume, it's looking for trend analysis. The background is green, the candles are green, you're above the trend line that is green, you hold that trade. Once it breaks that trend line, which is support, turns into resistance, now you're looking for sells. So until it changes again. Now it might go back and forth a little bit as we go back and forth in the triangle because we're getting tinier and tinier and tougher decision making. But you can see how nice this works. So you make better decisions. So if you get into here and you got into a sell trade and you're not sure where you should exit it, it's going to tell you the best time to exit. You're going to have this move down. Then it's going to say, okay, this is it. We got the best time to start going up. We actually have an oscillator on here, which is going to tell you when the white one's above the blue one that you should be buying. When it goes below the other, when it goes below, it's selling, and it'll help you in that aspect. It also gives you volume. This is a free indicator that we put on. There's a couple other ones too. Let's see right here. We got the MOTF intraday template, which is the red and green. We have the UT bot, and we have some other ones on here. The UT bot works out really good. There are some other ones you can get on here, which I'll show you. We got the ghost target, so this is really good. It says that it's a bent trend line, so that it actually goes with this, so it helps you stay in the trade too. It's not something that's really needed. I was just playing around with it. I do like it, so it does work out. But the main thing is the UT bot alert goes along with it. I got the settings for it. I got the indicator down here, and we got the software which does the red and green background, which will keep you calm and in the trade longer. That's what everybody tells me when they get into it, that when you get into the buy, you don't get scared out because it starts whipsawing around. You're able to hold this trade by looking at everything, hold it until it's time to get out. Now the oscillator here told you at this time right there with that gap, it's probably time to get out of the trade. You would get out, or it turned red would be enough to get out too. Nothing wrong with that either way. Here's another one here. So here's actually when Asia opened. Usually Asia we get some really good trades, but here this day was completely sideways. So you didn't really make any money if you wouldn't have bought in here. But let's say you took the sell, it did go down, you would have lost money here. You took the buy, you would have got break even or lost money there. Hopefully you didn't take that sell. There was no gap here. And then you finally got to the buy. That finally got it was underneath, so you wouldn't take that buy. So it kept you out of that buy. And then we got the sell. This is the sell we're waiting for. This is the best sell of the night. It opened up. It said we got a little gap. There we go. Totally started going, and then it just kept going on down. Even told you when to get out, which is way down here. Now this line stayed underneath the whole time till it crossed right here, and it went up here. So you can see how this gives you clarity in your trading. Doesn't mean you only trade this. You have to trade this with your other system. You know, you can only trade this if you're trading it on Tradingview, and that's fine too. But I use my system and this system to help me make decisions. Now, mine told me that we're going down. This one said we're going up, so it saved me from that trade. I would have taken a loss there if it wasn't for this. So that is the good thing here. Let's get this all the way over, get to where it's supposed to be. I think we went quite a ways down. There we go. So right now we were trying to go down from this top, and then we went sideways, then it tried to go up, and my signal said we're going down. The other one says we're going up. It kept me from that loss. So it helps me in my own trading too. Even with my own template, it helps me. So it is definitely something you need. It's something that will help your trading. It will keep you in the trade longer and help you with that decision making process, so that when it's green you only buy, when it's red you only sell. So think about it. It's on sale right now. I'll leave the link down below. I appreciate your time. Right now I think they still have 70% off for the Tradingview charts, so you can get the package. That's really good. If not, they'll probably bring it back for very shortly, so don't let that get away. I think maybe it's over with, but still I think they might be doing something for Christmas. We'll see. But the Tradingview has definitely helped me out with this chart. Before I utilized it and the indicators were just okay. They helped me just enough, but now with this template I am making money. And I have a lot of customers that saying I'm able to hold trades longer, I'm able to pass prop firms, I'm able to make more money, hold the target, and make a better life. That's what it's all about. So it's only $60. Think about it. Don't let it get away, because it's going to go up. It'll be up over $100 probably next week. So I'll leave the link below for the sale price, and hopefully it'll help your trading and change your life too. All right. Thank you so much, everybody. Okay, bye-bye.